Hello and welcome to the Guide to Web Development Hustlers Edition. This is a crash course for anyone who wants to build a web application in a fast and efficient way. In this course, you will learn the essential skills and tools to build a web application from scratch using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, NodeJS, React, Firebase, and more. We will not be wasting any time on unnecessary details or learning how to do the same thing in different ways. Instead, we will focus on the most practical and relevant topics that will get our web application up and running in no time. You will also learn how to deploy your application to the internet and make it accessible to anyone without any additional cost. By the end of this course, you'll have a solid foundation of web development and a working web application to showcase to your potential employers or clients. This course is built for beginners who have some basic knowledge of computers and want to learn web development in a fast-paced and hands-on way. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to get started with web development and build a web application in a matter of hours, then this is the perfect course for you. There are no exercise files, no code samples for this course because the best way to learn is by practice, so please follow along with me in the videos. You will also need to install some softwares and tools on your computer to get started with this course. I will show you how to do that in the first section of the course. So I hope you would join me in the Guide to Web Development Hustlers Edition.